It's recording, so go for it.
Recording.
I'd stand next to the camera and then I'll look more at the camera.
Okay. So what did you guys like about it?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
Did you like the atmosphere of it?
I really liked how you could tell the relationship between the two of them. Like, I feel like even if I didn't know that they were together, you definitely have gotten that sense of relationship and friendship and stuff through the video.
Like a real bond.
Yeah,
I like that.
I really like that.
Was there anything that you thought was kind of rough, or you didn't like about it, or you thought that could be improved?
I think it all flowed really nicely. Just like one bit where they're like about to throw the stuff, I think it would look better if you don't have them pause before they throw it, where you just have them throw it straight away.
Yeah. Yes.
I thought, although I have seen the one of your rough ones, and I'm not sure whether you changed it, like at the beginning when it goes from the sky to the tree, is it?
Okay.
And then you snap it back. I thought you could have not done it as much.
Okay, you just thought they could be
yeah, because it goes off
get
the
a
whole
bit boring,
introduction.
yeah.
But I liked it. I like the effect of that.
Okay.
I liked your slow motion bits as well.
Yeah.
And the reversing. obviously,
reversing.
And I like the
Yeah.
chopping and stuff.
The chopping.
Like that bit when they're walking it, then they're walking backwards,
Yeah.
and then they're walking normal again, and then they've swapped. I was like, that's really cool.
What did you think? Because since then I've actually decided to like the bits where they're in the forest, like the foresty tree bit. I've started to lighten the effect of it, so it looks more in with everything, so it ties together a bit more rather than the contrast of the two different colours, if you know what I mean. So I was thinking about doing that. Might do that a little bit more. So I just yeah, there's room. I still think there's room for improvement. You know.
But I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I think it goes. I think it really ties in well with the song. Like it fits in with the song. Like you would see that on MTV.
It sort of moves your emotions as well. Like when I was watching it at the end, I was like, oh,
Yeah,
like
it's
smiling
really
with it as well.
I really like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pass them around.
Yeah, pass them around.
I've got the taps open on Insects
You've
Follow. I'll start plastic that. Okay. That's enough.
What's it? Is this the? Oh, it's not the program.
Let's go on.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I haven't folded that one yet, but I will.
What is it?
It's my digipack. So it's
What's
like
a digipack?
it's like
This, wait,
better
CD?
version of an album for fans and people who want to know more information
So
about.
this is the limited edition.
Yeah,
of
it's
the
like
album.
they often will do stuff like that and extra bonus things and
How would it be folded?
like
Like this.
this will be the inside.
Front, that, that. and
That's the back. That's the
Okay.
front, and that's the inside flap.
Yeah.
So what flap is
Oh,
that?
okay, yeah.
Is that so like you? Oh, that flap. And then you
So the
open
one
it
that
and
says
then
flat
flip it.
people on it is the front.
Yeah, this one's the front. This one's the back, and that one's the inside flap. And
I really like the awesome ones, but like also like it was like not central when it could space over the
Yeah,
whole
yeah,
page,
look at
something
that.
like that. That works well. Like turn around.
yeah, I did. It was massive, and then I thought, oh, this isn't gonna fit into this tiny. But these are pockets. Those are pockets. I thought I'd have the CD and the information so that it wasn't like cluttered, because it's quite on the outside. But I wasn't too sure about how well this matched with the outside. You guys.
I like how the sky is slightly pink.
Yeah.
It links
yeah.
with
Oh,
the like
yeah.
powder
And the
that
colour.
they're throwing around.
Is this like a poster?
My question
Yes.
with
Or
the
the
stir is like you've underlined flat people.
Yeah.
And it's not on that one. Is that on purpose?
Oh.
Like,
No, that I think oh dear. I think that's been like put to the back and accidentally. It was underlined, so that will be underlined. Thank you.
I was just
Seeing
wondering because
that.
I thought it was look nicer underlined.
No, yeah, that was something I was trying to carry through.
is that a poster, that one?
Yeah,
Have you tried it with that picture of that?
this picture.
The one above that?
No, I haven't. Do you think I should try it with that?
Yeah.
I'd
I
also-
like that picture better. That's just for personal preference.
I'd also say with the poster as well, the bit where it says the release date and that, I'd maybe make that a bit bolder.
Bit bolder.
Because that's like,
You
people
can't,
need
like,
to
if
know
you
when it
just
comes
look at it,
out.
you
Like,
can't.
I know it might not fit with the same font as the title, but I do think that's quite important.
Do you
because-
think that it needs to be more central as well, or do you think it's okay in the position that it is
I
in?
like the position.
I like the position, I just think it's a bit too faint.
Okay.
I like it.
Price that one.
Yeah, I do like the position because then it doesn't take away from the picture. Like, I just like the big bit of colour in the middle.
I'll turn it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
that's
I agree
that's
with
the colours are different
Yeah.
from the print out. It's a bit
I think you should maybe try that
the other
the text in the middle.
in the middle. Try it.
Just because
like
the colour's
thick.
so bold, with
Yeah.
the white it will
Yeah.
just stand out more.
Okay.
You should try it to see what it looks like, because I feel like that's like the central point and it needs something.
I wouldn't say put it any higher though, because it
No.
looks really nice how it sort of blends into your hair.
Okay.
So I'd say keep it like where your hands are,
So
just
keep it-
sort of in the middle.
So I could swap this all to the other side and then bring this across to the middle, like the main bit in the middle, and then
Yeah, try that, yeah.
yeah.
Because otherwise it's a bit like heavy on the one side, I think.
Extremely helpful.
Done?
Yeah.